Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out your player tag on the Clash of Clans game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Clash of Clans game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into your home base. From here, if you wish to find your player tag, then click on the gear icon at the bottom right section. And from here, you will see your Supercell ID. You can find your player tag underneath your username, which is followed by a hashtag. Once you find your player tag, you can simply share this with your friends, and they will be able to add you on the Clash of Clans game using your player tag right away. You may change your account settings through Supercell by tapping on the open button and going into the gear icon at the top. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find out your player tag on the Clash of Clans game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.